The day after Alton Sterling lost his right to breathe, Black women prayed to bury aggression. So they couldn't use emotion to justify suicide, try to lynch her dreams, say her screams ring too loud when father, like bloody pavement, tell her swallow anguish with opioids, Xanax, prescribe her addiction, say her torment sound too much like begging, like benefit, body bent backwards, tell her help smell too much like freedom, like dignity. Rather, lodge her head under vehicle, say rocks against naked flesh hurt less than bullwhip, then shotgun, that 10-minute cavity search is not rape, it's justified, is only way to find source of Black girl magic, tell media make her body viral, broadcast her pain like everyone is strong enough to take this, to adapt, strong enough to survive, then mock her trauma when her womb aches of bullets declaring war against water gun, against illness, against infant, tell her no one care better for her children than system, than casket, say her voice sound too strong, too loud, too vivid, then the media ask her how she does it, how she continues most unprotected species on planet, all gladiator spirit and faith, Black woman tunnel beneath struggle with prayer, carry family through broken mirrors so deception don't poison the seed. How much passion do they want Black women to bleed? She will never hide like fragile officers forced to face their reflection, fail to protect, fail to serve, like Black woman didn't nurse this nation strong, all red, white, blue, lashes on back, head up, because she knows freedom already belongs to her, that no weapon formed against her shall prosper. There is nothing they can do to break her faith. Covered in the blood, Black women already know that God gon' get them. But how much passion do they need Black women to bleed?
And will not allow y'all to sweep him in the dirt.